Hey friends, Andre here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach files to your Slack chat. So in case you're speaking to someone or you would just simply want to attach a file in your chat, you can go ahead and click the plus on the lower left hand side of the chat window here, and you will have access to a whole bunch of options. So you can attach files from recent files that you have here. You can go ahead and attach from your PC, which most likely you're looking forward to, or from some list. So if I want to attach from my PC, I click upload from my computer, and it's going to open up my file explorer where I can go ahead and just navigate on my PC where I have those images or wherever I want to, right? Videos, whatever it is that I want to share, right? And I just need to go ahead and select it and click on open, and it's going to be attached there. So let's go ahead and do an example. Let's say I wanted to do an image. I'm going to just quickly find some image. Let's use this one of myself. Click on open, and right away you can see it's going to attach the image into the chat. And once I hit this send now button on the lower right, it will be sent within the chat. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you want to remove it, you remove it like that. But that's it.